That $100 HDMI cable at the store? You almost certainly don't need it. Here's why. HDMI is a digital signal. It either carries the full picture perfectly, or it fails. There's no richer or sharper image you can buy with a pricier cable. What matters is certification, not cost. A certified high-speed cable handles 4K. The label is what counts. And a certified 18 gigabit cable that does full 4K costs under $10. Pay for the certification, not the brand name. Save the cash for something that matters. Search smarttvs.org